Alright, so AT&T is at $31.46 with a market cap of $224 billion. And today we had a nice little run up. We passed the $30 range, and I'm thinking we might keep going up depending on if the market tanks or not. This week's looking a little red, but who knows? So AT&T gets DirecTV bids valuing satellite broadcaster at over 15 billion. So essentially, two bids came in from a private equity firm, Apollo Global Management, and from Churchill Capital Corp, a SPAC, which is a special purpose acquisition vehicle, and they essentially want to buy DirecTV. I think that's freaking awesome because DirecTV does not work at AT&T. I don't know why AT&T purchased it. It was the stupidest decision they could have made. We've been losing subscribers. It's it's just a terrible business. Nobody wants satellite TV, and I'm really surprised that these companies want to buy a satellite TV company, because it's stupid. Plain and simple. Maybe they've got a plan. They'll probably buy a cell phone company with it and create a competitor. Who knows? But this is awesome for AT&T because this will help them get rid of their debt that they're taking down so fast, which is great from a business standpoint. Right now, they're in risk territory because they have so much debt. So boom, they sell off DirecTV, and I think there is like they get a certain amount of cash, and then I think this company is actually buying AT&T's debt. I'll have to look more into it. But either or, this is beneficial to AT&T. This is what we want to see. And I think once we get rid of it, then they're going to start, cutting more and, improving things. And I think maybe eventually we will hit $40. But that's a long ways down. That's once they start getting in motion over there, they get their debt down, start focusing, and then I personally believe they have to acquire some other businesses, something that fits for AT&T, and they'll kind of become a little bit of a growth stock for a short period of time. But also in today's news, AT&T is selling an anime business to Sony's Funimation, which will equal $1.18 billion. So this is awesome. It is clear AT&T is cutting where they can and selling what they can to improve their business, pay down their debts. They're kind of trying to transition into a streaming company, obviously the internet and phones, but also streaming. So that's a good sign. Once they get the debt down, it's going to be a solid play. I still think it is a solid play. And I purchased quite a bit of AT&T today, so subscribe and you'll see another video come out. I threw a few thousand in because I think this might run it up to maybe $34. But if it doesn't, I don't care because I'll be collecting a 6.6% dividend, and that's why I love AT&T. So stay on top of this. I think you're going to see a lot more sales come from AT&T, and it will only be beneficial. So do your research, have some fun, make some money. This video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.